Every day, we live online, shopping, working, studying, connecting with the people we love. But in this connected world, there's something we don't always see: the threats lurking behind the screen. Phishing emails, malware, identity theft. Cyber attacks don't just target big companies anymore, they target you, your personal data, your bank details, your digital life. That's why the Certified Secure Computer User, or CSCU, certification matters. It's not just a course. It's your guide to staying safe in a world where cyber threats are real and growing. With CSCU, you'll learn how to protect what's yours: your identity, your devices, your peace of mind. You'll gain real, practical skills to spot danger early and stay one step ahead. This isn't just for tech experts. It's for students, parents, professionals, anyone who wants to understand the digital world and use it safely. When you understand the risks, you can protect yourself and even help others stay safe too. Get cyber smart with CSCU. Learn with SysCare. Enroll now and stay protected.